Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change NIN on Palmpay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll first head over to my Palmpay and then log into your account. The next thing which you need to do is tap on your profile at the top left, and you will be on this page. Here simply tap on KYC levels option and you will be sent to this section. Now here you will not find any option to change your NIN, because your name and your BVN are two informations that are very difficult to change on Palmpay. This is due to your core information when it comes to being a citizen of the country, or anything in financial. So the reason why you might want to change it for maybe like mistaken identity or something related, but for them to accept this information, that means the information was correct earlier. So what I would suggest is to head over to this Me section. Here, scroll down and tap on Customer Service. Then now tap on this 3-line icon. Now you can proceed to call them via phone or message them via email or message them via live chat. And then tell them that you have mistakenly entered your wrong information and want to change it. They will respond you very soon. But if you would like to remove like your BVN or your name from Palmpay in general, go to Me section and just tap on this Settings. Then tap on Close Palmpay Account. If you close this, your name will be removed from this. Then maybe, after you can proceed to register another account. Maybe it does what seems best to you. This is the only way that you can do this. So that's basically how you can change NIN on Palmpay. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.